Hi guys, welcome to you in my new video. So today we are going to use these old matchboxes. In our houses, matchboxes are used daily, and we just when they are used and empty, we just throw them. So today we are going to reuse them. First of all, we have to paste them like this in this order. You can see we have to paste them, and I am going to paste them with the help of this double-sided tape. In double-sided tape, it has thickness in both the sides. So I will paste this in only two matchboxes because it will stick like this and this will stick like this. So I will show you how. I have pasted one and like this. So I have pasted in two, and one is empty from both the sides, and these two are also empty from the other side. I have not done anything in this. So what we have to do now is we have to remove its white covering, leaving behind its sticky. You can see. We have to remove this, and this is the sticky part. So it will be paste like this. It will paste like this. You can paste them with the help of cello tape also. Simple tape you can also use. Now doing same in this. Now you can see these are stick very well. So it's time for do our next step. Now this is not looking good because we have used it and the scratches are easily seen. So what we have to do is we are covering this with a paper. This is simple worksheet. You can also paint it in your choice. I am pasting a paper. So first we have to take the marking of this paper with the pencil. So I will take the mark with my pencil. First I am just making a mark, then we will join it with the scale. So I have taken these marks from here till here. It is little bigger, so I am just taking it as full. Now mark these lines with the help of scale. Like this. And cut it. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it does. So we have cutted it. Now we have to paste this on this. So I am using this glue for pasting it. You can use fabric also. So I am starting from the bottom side. By the way, it will not be seen that it is side or back side because paper will be pasted. So you can paste from any side. I'm not applying this on whole side because it will look so messy.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air.
Apply only on the edge.
Starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
Ear gap should not be left in between, otherwise it will not look good. So I will show you after completing it whole. So I have pasted the paper around it and it's looking good. Meanwhile we have to keep it for drying, and meanwhile I will be make these, what we call them, I'll making these. Okay. Guys, I just find one thing that when we will put these inside them, so basically we are going to make a drawer. So when we put them inside, so we can open by these both sides. So this will not look good. So what I am thinking is we will cover one side with paper, so the drawers cannot come out from both the sides. So what I have made is I have cut in one piece of paper of this length and some extra to paste it. So what I am going to do is just applying a glue in one side. You have to apply it both the sides, first one, and paste it over here. You can also paste it by tape also. I'm pasting with glue so that it will be more stronger. So same at the top. Nice.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in.
So it has covered the back side so that now our drawers cannot move from both the sides. It will stay in one position and I only can come out from one area. You can settle it by applying glue over here also. It's your choice. I have done with this. So let it dry, and now we will going to make this. First of all, I will be painting these edges from where we have to open them, because while using them these are looking a little dirty. So I am just painting them white with white acrylic color so that it will look clear and clean. To show you after painting, so I painted these with white paint. You can paint them or just paste the white paper just like in this body. I pasted in this. You can do like that also. I have painted because it is easy and done very easily. So what's next? We have to paste the knobs of the drawers so that we can pull them or push them for opening and closing. Let's do. So here I have these beads. These are simple wooden beads. Simple plastic beads also, they are usually called toys. You can use them too. I used wooden beads because it was heavy and it dries up quickly. Plastic beads look a little bit more tight. So what we have to do is, we have to apply a glue, little glue, the center, and put it like this over here. We don't have to press it and nothing. We have to do is just keep it like this. Keep it like this aside so that it can dry. We have to do same.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
We have to place it in this and we have completed. Now what I was thinking is, this is looking very plain from all the side. Why? So I'm just writing a message, or you can draw anything of your choice. I'm writing a message over here. You can write by your own whatever you want, and take care of this that the where we have pasted, it should come this downwards. So write this here and here. Bottom is not necessary because it will be kept like this, so it will not be seen. So I will show you after writing.
Meanwhile,
So I have written this in my box. You can write anything of your choice, or you can draw anything. And meanwhile our drawers are also dried, so we will place them.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel